In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure workflows in Jira, an essential skill for effectively managing your projects with Atlassian Jira. Let's make sure you get everything set up just right, so follow along with me through these steps. First, go to jira.com and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Your Work section of Jira. This is where you'll see an overview of your projects and tasks, and it serves as the starting point for accessing various configuration settings. Now look for the settings icon on your screen. This is usually depicted by a small gear icon and can be found on the top right of the page. Give that a click to enter the settings menu. The next step is to find and select work items within the settings. This section allows you to configure elements related to the different work processes inside your projects. Once you're there, you'll want to proceed by clicking on workflows. Workflows are essentially the underlying structure that defines how tasks move through the different stages in your project. Next, select the Add Workflow button. This action is going to open up a choice for you to either create a new workflow from scratch or modify an existing one. Let's create a new one, so hit Create New. You'll now need to name your workflow. It's important to choose a name that is both descriptive and reflective of its purpose to avoid confusion later on. Next, enter a brief description that outlines what this workflow will accomplish. This comes in handy if you or your team members need a quick reference in the future. Once you've filled in both of these fields, click on the Create button. Once the new workflow is created, you should see a diagram representation. This visual tool is invaluable as it provides an interactive view of your workflow structure. Here, you can add statuses, which are the different stages a task can be in during its life cycle. Click on Add Status to start building your steps. To facilitate transitions between these statuses, like moving from in progress to completed, click on Add Transition. It's up to you whether you'd like to create new transitions or reuse existing ones, and there's a specific button for either choice. Once you've set up the transitions as needed, click Add to finalize them. To make your visualization even more intuitive, you can click on the option to Show Transition Labels. This makes the diagram more user-friendly by labeling each transition, adding clarity to the workflow. Remember, you have flexibility here with the editor tools, so feel free to switch editors if that makes the process easier for you. And when you're satisfied with the configuration, click Export to save and share your new workflow setup. And there you have it. You've now successfully configured a workflow in Jira. If you need to adjust or refine your workflow later, simply return to the settings and follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing!